Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Horizon Kids Team. Well, anyone who knows me knows I like to dress up. And you might also know that I really love to do craft. So when I can do both together, it's just the best. So I've been reading in the book of Esther about Queen Esther, and I was thinking about what it'd be like to be a king or a queen. So I thought, wouldn't it be great to make a crown to remind me of Queen Esther and how brave she was? So I looked around my house and I looked in my recycling and I found some boxes. I thought maybe you might like to make one too. See if you can find a box in your home. I found this box first. Would this make a good crown, I wonder? Yeah, I look like a king or a queen now, don't I? You don't think so? No, maybe too many brains for this one. What about this one? The cardboard might be a bit too thick, but it's a nice colour. What about this one? Ah, now I look like a queen, don't I? You don't think so? Well, I think the first thing I could do is maybe I could open this out and maybe cut it into a crown shape. I'm going to carefully open it. Now that I've got a nice flat bit of cardboard, let me see what I can do with that.
Okay, so once you've got a flat, long piece of cardboard, you can cut the extra flaps off from the bottom. Now I'm going to turn it over, and I don't have to worry about the top being a little bit rough. But I need to draw a zigzaggy line now for the top of my crown. So, since I'm not very good at drawing zigzags, and you mightn't be either, I've got some post-it notes to help me. I'm going to take one of those.
So now that you've got a nice foiled piece of cardboard, I think a good idea would be to write the word brave, because Esther was really brave. She went to the king, even though it could have cost her life. She needed to be brave to save her people. So I'm going to write B-R-A-V-E. And then it's time to decorate the crown. Maybe you might have some gems like these ones, nice and sparkly, or you might have some stickers that are nice and sparkly and blingy, or you might have some buttons. You might need some stronger glue if you're using buttons.
So when you're happy that you've got enough bling on your crown, then it's time for one last step. Try it on. Fit it round you. And let's just check. Feeling very brave now.